How to play Terraria multiplayer new 2025. Most people get this wrong, but setting up Terraria multiplayer in 2025 is simpler than you think. You won't believe how quickly you can join friends and explore together once you know the steps. Start by launching Terraria and updating to the latest version. Multiplayer requires that all players run the same version to connect successfully. Next, choose your hosting option. You can play via local network, online server, or using Steam's Join Game feature. For local network play, select Host and Play, choose your character and world, then enable multiplayer. Friends on the same network can join automatically. For online play, you'll need to either rent or host a dedicated server. Terraria provides server software that allows customization of world size, max players, and difficulty settings. Pour the necessary ports on your router, usually 7777 to ensure connectivity. Share your IP address and port number with friends for them to join. Steam users can also leverage the Friends tab. Simply host a world, then friends can click Join Game from your Steam profile. This is the easiest method for cross-network play without dealing with IPs and port forwarding. Once connected, coordinate in-game. Terraria supports up to 8 players in standard worlds and more in larger worlds. Work together to explore, mine, craft, and defeat bosses. Voice chat or messaging apps improve coordination. In conclusion, playing Terraria multiplayer in 2025 is all about choosing the right hosting method, ensuring version compatibility, and managing connections properly. Whether through local LAN, dedicated servers, or Steam, you can enjoy a seamless cooperative experience. Multiplayer turns Terraria into a rich, collaborative adventure, making every session more engaging.